Hello everyone, look at this. I got this craft ease new art piece, new canvas. I'm gonna try this for the first time today. So there's 3 easy steps. I can use this box to become my easel, which is very handy. There's all the colors, the picture as a reference in the box, everything I need, painting with the numbers and the brushes. So that's it. The set is complete. So yeah, I fold in the box so become an easel. So if you don't have anything else at home, you can just use that, which is very handy. Like so. Yeah, and those are the colors. We just need to stick on the numbers. It's gonna be the same number as in the picture, so it's very easy and doesn't make you confused, and you're doing once and it's set up the whole painting. And there we go. Let's start. I'm starting with the darker colors, the bigger area. I think it make it easier to then understand the rest. So yeah, here we go. Darker color first, and then slowly adding all the rest of the colors. I prefer to start with the bigger shapes and to go to the smallest one at the end. And then here you can see how it slowly progresses, super easy. And what I find out, to be honest, is like I'm not really a patient person and I don't really like details in general, but I want to challenge myself because I find it so really relaxing, because I don't have to think of mixing color, I don't have to think of how it's gonna look like at the end. I don't need to think of anything. I put some music in the background and I just chill and I just look at the process of this creation happening without to overthink. And the result I think was quite cool. And I really enjoyed it, to be honest. As for me, it was very much as a creative process, but mostly a mindful, relaxing exercise. So yeah, I really enjoy. And if you want to give it a go, that's the link where you can get a little discount on this type of artwork. And yeah, give it a go. Just let me know how it goes. It's definitely something to train your patience. It takes some time, and it's all these small shapes that you have to look for and find the small numbers and stuff. But if you're not trained for your patient, or if you're already a patient person, then this might be a very good for you. And there we go, done.